Namaste. I'm Sriram, a yoga practitioner representing Vyanati Yoga. I'm also an avid tennis player. As I used a heavy tennis racket, I strained my muscles surrounding the elbow region. Due to this, I developed tennis elbow condition and suffered from excruciating pain. My humorous doctor friend advised me either to quit the sport or start playing with the opposite hand. Jokes apart, my yoga guru advised me to follow three simple steps. Number one, quit the sport temporarily for a month so that I give rest to my elbow. Number two, apply ice pack twice a day to ease the pain. And number three, practice certain simple and time tested yogasanas that will help overcome this tennis elbow condition. I am going to demonstrate these yogasana stretches so that you can also stand to benefit out of it. Thank you.
Stand legs close to each other. Take your arms sideways. Slowly stretch it up. Interlock your fingers, palm facing upward. Straighten your leg, hand, right arm, left arm. Stretch it higher. Look up. Inhale, come on your toes. And start exhaling with a humming sound. Finish your humming exhalation and slowly release the posture and come down. You can repeat this asana 10. Sit in Sukhasana, back straight. Place your right leg on top. Keep your hands sideways. Straight hand, elbows are locked. Now inhale, lift your body high. Start exhaling with humming sound. Finish your exhalation and slowly come down. Release the posture. Now you can repeat this for the other leg. Placing your left leg on top. People suffering from knee pain can stretch your legs straight. You can do it placing your hands down. After a lot of practice, after my elbows are fine, I started to do Lolasana, complete Lolasana by sitting in Padmasana and lifting my whole body up. Lie down on your stomach, cross your leg, bring your hands ahead of your shoulder, parallel to your shoulder. Now inhale, straighten your elbows. Make sure your elbows are twisted and your elbows are locked. This is very important. And start exhaling, your navel touching the floor. Your shoulders are stretched behind. Feel the arch on your lower back. Finish your exhalation and slowly relax the posture. Let us see how to tighten forearm muscle using dumbbells. Keep your forearm straight on a flat surface. If you are a beginner in weights, start with half or 1 kg dumbbell or fill water bottle. Hold the dumbbell and start rotating your wrist upward and downwards. Do 3 sets with 10 repetitions a day. This will strengthen your forearm muscle. Now we are going to do arm stretch using door as a prop. People who are not tall enough can use a stool. Now stand close to the door. Stand straight, back straight. Try to hold the edge of the door completely. Inhale, exhaling, stretch yourself and pull yourself down. Inhale, start exhaling with humming sound. Back straight, your toes are down, touching the floor. Finish your exhalation and slowly come up. This can be repeated 3 times. You can repeat all these set of asanas 3 to 4 times in a day.
For more videos on yogasanas, subscribe to Vyanati Yoga. Thank you.